Citizens leader Advocate Nelson Chamisa on Thursday issued a forceful statement challenging President Emmerson Mnangagwa over the proposed constitutional amendment bill. Why are you afraid of the people power? Chamisa confronts Mnangagwa over term extension bill. Zanabina mashuko nobuda pangu Antonio Nelson Chamisa aiwa onyasku setira mtungamiri wenyika pesi achiuza kuti aiwa why are you afraid of the people power? Chokwadi chichoda kufumurwa panapa. Kuti subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina muzipu aiva mudanyira wachiti. In this address, Chamisa questioned the president's commitment to democratic principles, saying, "Dear Mr. Listening President, a true and proper constitutionalist must not be afraid of proper elections or at all costs seek to avoid the people. Why are you so scared of people of Zimbabwe if you claim you are supported? Has the time not come for you to persuade the persuaders not to persuade you, not to murder the constitution?" These remarks come as NPF has tabled the constitutional amendment bill, a move that would allow President Mnangagwa to remain in office beyond 2028, sparking renewed debate over Zimbabwe's democratic processes and respect for the constitution. Doma shkaruda pankwa inatona Nelson Chamisa right now apindira panao the constitution dzakamboda kumbosiyana nadzo achiti aiwa now ndiri kumaenda vision 2028 pari panguva nachonoka kunzi 2028 yacho tikaona kuti ZANU-PF iri kuda kuzama kuopposed kuti 2028 kubviswe maelections ozonekwa 2030 kana kuri kunge varamba vane muono wavainawo kana vasina kutozochinja after vatena 2028. Mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino ari kuonekwa kunzi Nelson Chamisa is now challenging achiuya achidefenda the constitution kuti let us respect the people, let us respect the elections, let us respect the constitution. Mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino muZimbabwe. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitwechi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.